Control your speed.
It is steep.
Well, there's a lake on my right hand side, but you can't see it, and we can't film it. We can't stop because Susie's anxiety is already through the roof. There is a parking lane for the view, but we ain't stopping. Welcome to Vanlife Hustles. This week you join us as we travel up to Glen Nevis, down to Loch Lomond, across to Cumbria for a classic pub camp stop, and then down to Stratford-upon-Avon. Dodging all the storms this week. Welcome along for the ride. There you go. That wasn't so bad, was it? Ladies and gents, toilets are nearby. There's our van over there. There we go. Hopefully no one's in there. Gents, lovely clean toilets. Lots of loos, lots of hot water. Water was surprisingly hot, not bad at all. And just to give you an idea, around the corner there's a chemical waste disposal point, kitchen cleaning, shower facilities. Reception and shop. So massive site, 200 pitches. Ladies, gents, showers. The showers are lovely and warm if you turn the tap on and leave it running while you're getting changed, or while you're getting undressed, I should say. And they play Radio 4, so you can shower to, I would walk 500 miles. And there we go, here's Glen Nevis, Ben Nevis, and the mountain range and the walks. Plenty of campervans here. Nicely laid out pitches, well spaced. Jobs are good.
I'll always be 1 mile and then down this road we travel in our head. Why not come with me? See what we can see. Someplace along the way we can find some peace. We can run through open fields, climb these mountains in our way, fly over oceans, rivers, streams, all this painted in life's tapestry. I'll always be somewhere down the road. Take a deep breath in. Why don't you come along? We can run through open fields, climb these mountains in our way, fly over oceans, rivers, streams, all this painted in life's tapestry. somewhere down the road. Take a deep breath in. Why don't you come along? We can run through open fields, climb these mountains in our way, fly over oceans, rivers, streams, all this painted in life's tapestry.
And after what was a very wet, windy and leery drive to Loch Lomond, found one of the best park-ups I've ever stayed at. Check that out. It doesn't get much better than that. And it's free. What a scenic park up. Bite to eat and we're off. Just after Loch Lomond, we visited the Crown Hotel in Cumbria, famous for its traditional Thai cuisine. I say famous, a lot of van lifers and campervanners stop there on the way to and from Scotland. The landlord, very friendly, happy chappy, and his wife is a traditional Thai chef. The food was amazing. The pub itself could probably do with a bit of maintenance, a bit like me. It's getting on a bit. But great kids area, great entertainment area, and yeah, really, really nice. Allowed to stay in the car park overnight. So maybe give it a shot. Links in the description.
Lots of rain, but we dodged it up north. So, ooh, look at that windsock.
Yeah.
Head on. So, should be good for the moment. Slow and steady. Stopped at a service station and someone thinks she's going to bed.
Yep, she's having a good clean scratch before she naps.
Yep, it's not going to happen. You've got to go back in and carry her. We've got 2 more hours of driving at least. Not a single fuck given.
No, so fuck off.
Gizzy! Nope. She's not going to like going back in that basket.
Giz, giz. Giz, giz. We gotta go.
Not paying the slightest bit of attention to you.
No. Yeah, she is.
Hashtag van life. Did you enjoy that little trip? God, you're boring. As soon as I start filming, you start cleaning yourself. You're that much of a diva. Hey. So a bit of a walk to the toilet block. I imagine if there was a tent here or two, you might have to walk all the way around on the main road bit. There we are, there's a van over there. And this is the toilet block, number 1. There are 2 toilet blocks. One's the other end of the field, which is unisex, and this one is the toilet and showers, men's and women. Ooh, Just duck my camera down just in case anyone's in there. Oh, no one in there. Oh, switch to wide angle. Shower cubicle 1. There you go, all automatic, very nice. Same in cubicle 2, but the door's broken. I nearly got trapped in there. Let me show you that. I couldn't open the door because it's cable tied together there, so I couldn't get out. Well, there we go. There's a gents' toilets. I imagine the ladies is the same. So, hairdryer, sink, all the accoutrements, as it were. It's a lovely little site in a 1 acre apple orchard. £25 per night. Chemical waste disposal point, laundrette even. It's got a washing machine, tumbled like a washer dryer. But yeah, really nice site, really nice owner. Greeted us at the gate. If you book through pitchup.com, he follows it up with an email with the codes for the gate, because there's 2 gates that you have to put codes in on arrival. I got the pitch up email and I didn't realise he'd sent an email as well, so he met us at the gate and let us in though, so that wasn't too much of a problem. But yeah, really nice site. The other toilets are right down the end there. Chemical waste disposal point behind that big van, big Iveco. Really nice quiet site. There we go. Hey Gizzy, what you looking at?
Sniffing everything.
Christmas tree. Hello Gizzy. Hello Gizzy. Can you see me? Hello. Our van's lit up like a bloody Christmas tree. Oh, it's windy out here.
Well, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you for spending your valuable time with us and really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video at all, please give us a like or subscribe and we'll see you down the road. Going to leave you with some pictures of our journeys around Scotland, and we're going to continue to dodge the storm.
There's a sunrise waiting just beyond the hill, a whisper of tomorrow if your heart stands still. The road is long but wide and time just slips away. So take your chance, don't let your dreams decay. Every heartbeat's a promise, every breath a song. You'll never know the magic if you don't sing along. You only live once, so embrace every moment. Love, laugh and travel free. Stop and feel the breeze and the grass beneath your feet. You'll enjoy what you do and only regret what you don't. Believe me. There's a river that remembers every tear you've cried, but the water keeps on moving, leaving pain